Welcome back to the Comfort Food Haven. Today we are making Bang Bang Chicken. Here are all the ingredients that you will need. You can also screenshot the grocery list for your convenience right here on this screen and the next one coming up. You also can serve this over a bed of cooked rice. If you prefer brown rice, go ahead and use that. Or if you would like to use noodles, you can do that as well. Cleaned and washed off chicken breast that's been cubed, and we're adding that to our bowl for starters. Into your large bowl with your chicken breast, you're going to add the soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, minced garlic, minced ginger, salt and pepper, and a couple of egg whites. My apologies, but I forgot to film myself adding the salt, so you definitely want to include salt in this recipe. I added just a dash of steak seasoning as well because you know me, that's my favorite all-purpose seasoning, but do you. You also want to add those egg whites, give all that a great stir, get it fully incorporated, cover it with foil, refrigerate for an hour at least. You could definitely let it marinate overnight if you prefer. Now on to the Bang Bang sauce. You're going to use mayonnaise for this, sriracha, and crunchy garlic chili paste or chili sauce. You can find this in the Asian section of your grocery store. Add more or less to your spice level and tolerance. Add some lemon juice and give that a good stir. It is my recommendation that if you would like lots of sauce to coat not just the chicken but also your rice or noodles, you may need to double this recipe. Stir this sauce until it's fully smooth and all of the spices are fully incorporated. Next up, we're going to get our flour and cornstarch dredged together. This is what we're going to coat our chicken in. I don't have like a precise measurement on how much cornstarch and flour to use. You just have to eyeball it. You might have to add more if you run out of the coating as you cook your chicken in batches. At this point, I am heating up my oil. I used equal parts canola and vegetable oil because that's what I had on hand, and I wanted to make sure I was able to deep fry the chicken and get it nice and light and pretty and golden as it came out in individual batches. I was all out of paper towels when I decided to make this dish, so we ended up having to drain the chicken on a draining rack, which was kind of weird because the size of the chicken breast, it kept falling through the grates. But in any event, it still came out really well. I love how golden and beautiful and crispy the chicken came out. It was very light. And I've been frying chicken since I was 12, so I don't have a temperature thermometer. I don't have an estimation on how much time it took me to fry the chicken. I just know when the pieces start floating up towards the top of the pot, it was ready. I opened up the piece and looked at it and inspected it to make sure it's fully cooked on the inside, and it totally was. There's my fully prepared jasmine rice that I decided to serve with this. And again, you're going to want to double this sauce recipe to make sure you have enough sauce to coat both the chicken and the rice. And for future cooking of this recipe, I will add like steamed broccoli on the side for the vegetable. I had very little minced green onions left, but I tried to put as much as I could put on there just for color and presentation. So definitely you want to go ahead and garnish with green onion if you have some. And bone apple tea, as we always say around here. I'm not super happy with my plating this time, but this was a good recipe. I would make it again. I definitely would make bang bang shrimp next time also. So let me know if you want a video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for future content here at the Comfort Food Haven. We're on a journey to 1,000 subscribers, so every like, engagement, and view helps us out. We appreciate you once again. See y'all for the next video. Bye now.